Hi guys, Mr. Bruce here. Today's book is a book for the littles and it's called Baby Bird. And it's about a bird that wants to try to fly. Before we start, eyes watching, ears listening, voices quiet, body calm. Okay, Baby Bird. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest, and stood on the side of the nest and started to flop his wings. Flop, flop, flop. Oh no, I'm going down. And he fell down at the bottom of the tree, but he didn't get hurt. This is the squirrel that sniffed at the bird after he fell. This is the big bumblebee that buzzed around the bird that fell until he finally found a nice flower and plopped himself inside that and started to eat. This is the frog that hopped over the bird that fell until he hopped way out of the picture. This is the cat. That stalked after the bird. And while he was doing it, he fell himself. And that was just as well. Our bird flopped away. This is the sleepy old dog. And he opened wide, and the bird almost walked all the way inside. Whoa! This was the baby bird, and all he wanted to do was fly. He wanted to go up, 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 off the dog, off the tree, off the house, and up into the sky. We got up to the house, and he thought, well, this may be. I may have enough for one last try. Off he went. Oh no, he's going down. Flap, 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 flap. He flapped over the dog. He flapped over the cat. He flapped over the frog. He flapped over the bee. He flapped over the squirrel. This is the bird that finally flew because he kept trying. The end. Well, you know what he learned from that? When he first tried and he couldn't get it done, he didn't give up. He kept trying until finally he could fly, and now he can fly anywhere. I'll be back tomorrow with a book for the bigs, but until then, be good to your folks and wash your hands. Bye-bye.